In this video, I'll show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows. So first, we go to virtualbox.org. Now we'll click the VirtualBox 6.1 download button. We choose Windows hosts as our download option. This will download the Windows setup file of VirtualBox. Now the download is complete. Now we can double click to run this setup. Now we'll click next and we'll keep this as default. Then we can choose any kind of customization like create a quick launch shortcut, or like say for example I don't need a desktop shortcut, so we can uncheck that. Now I'll click next. Then it'll give you some warning. This is basically saying that there will be additional network adapters being installed while the setup is running. At the same time, there would be network disturbance, so you might have a short disconnection with the internet. Now we'll click install. Now this is asking us if we would like to install this universal serial bus. This is the controller to mount USB into VirtualBox. We choose install. Now this option lets us start VirtualBox once we finish this setup. Now you can see we have VirtualBox running. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.